In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to answer colorful socks number 1, a question you can find here on QuantGuide IO. Now, what this is saying is with 10 pairs of socks, each with a distinct color, are in a drawer. You draw 2 socks at random. Find the probability you obtain a matching pair. Now, all we have to do for this question is first we can define the total ways we could arrange the socks. So for this, we'll do 20 times 19. And we're going to use floor division by 2 to find the combinations. Now, this is the same as this formula here, and I'll put it on screen, and we could run it. Now we can come down and we can see what's in our total ways variable, and you can see it has 190 arrangements. Now we know the matching ways is 10, as stated in the question. So all we'll have to do now is just define matching ways divided by the total ways. Now we can run that, and that will give us our probability. Now I'll put an image here showing all of the work and explaining it a little bit more in depth. But we can now test our answer. So now that we're back on the website, we could simply come here and we could do 1 out of 19, as that is the equivalent to the decimal that we received in our Python script. And you can see this is indeed correct. Now coming back to our script, just to show you one more time that 1 over 19 is indeed the same thing, you can now see here. Now that's how you can do colorful socks number 1, the interview question on QuantGuide IO, and I hope that helps.